Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Install AG Auto Clicker and run it as administrator so it can interact with target windows. Once done, open the program and use the recorder or crosshair to capture target coordinates. This avoids manual aiming. Make sure you choose left or right click and set an interval in milliseconds to match the game or app speed. These initial settings determine reliability, so confirm window focus, and that repeat count is set to the intended number before moving on. Now you refine precision. Switch between absolute and relative coordinates depending on whether the window moves or resizes, because absolute breaks if positions shift. Next, add small randomized variance to the interval, 5 to 15%, to reduce pattern detection and to emulate human timing. Then chain multiple click points with brief pauses to match workflows or combos. Test these settings in short bursts of 5 to 10 seconds and observe any missed clicks so you can tweak timing and order immediately. Finally, you run the sequence. Bind a clear hotkey for start and stop so you can intervene instantly, then begin a full duration run while watching the first few seconds. If clicks fail or misfire, make sure the target window has focus and that AG has administrator rights, then re-record coordinates and add 10 to 50 milliseconds to your delay to accommodate lag. Also check overlays or anti-cheat input blockers. If problems persist, break the sequence into smaller segments and retest each one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.